Good food is good for you. Eating healthy gives you energy. You'll feel strong all day. Healthy food can be yummy. Fruits, veggies, and lean protein taste great. When you eat right, you think better. You can focus at work or school. Plus, eating healthy is good for your heart. It helps you stay healthy for years to come. Healthy eating also improves your skin and hair. You'll sleep better and wake up refreshed. And you'll enjoy social gatherings more. Eating well supports mental health too. Plan your meals to stay on track. Life moves fast. It's easy to skip meals when you're busy. We grab fast food or eat on the run, but these choices aren't always healthy. Fast food is often full of fat and salt. It can make you tired and sluggish. Skipping meals makes you overeat later. You might crave unhealthy snacks. Busy lives often lead to poor eating habits. Stress and lack of time affect our food choices, but with a little planning, we can make healthier choices. Healthy eating can be easy, even when busy. Keep healthy snacks with you. Nuts, fruit, or yogurt are great choices. Plan your meals ahead of time. Cook extra at dinner. Leftovers make great lunches. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's good for you and keeps you full. Meal prep on weekends to save time during the week. Use a slow cooker for easy, healthy meals. Smoothies are quick and nutritious. Set reminders to eat healthy snacks. No time to cook? No problem. Try a salad with grilled chicken or fish. Make a quick veggie omelet for breakfast. Soup and a whole wheat roll is another easy meal. For a healthy snack, dip carrots and celery in hummus. Greek yogurt with berries is a yummy and filling treat. Remember, healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Whip up a quick smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Avocado toast with cherry tomatoes is a delicious and quick option. Grab a handful of mixed nuts for a quick and healthy snack. Plan to win in the kitchen. Planning is key to healthy eating. Spend a few minutes each week making a meal plan. Write down what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Make a grocery list from your meal plan. This saves time and money at the store. Chop veggies ahead of time for easy snacks and meals. With a little planning, you can eat healthy every day. Use a slow cooker or instant pot for easy, healthy meals. Portion out meals in advance to save time during the week. Keep your pantry organized with healthy staples. Prep smoothies and snacks for quick, nutritious options. With these strategies, you'll be set for healthy eating success. Meal prepping can save time and ensure you always have healthy meals ready. Spend a few hours on the weekend to prepare meals for the week. Use containers to store individual portions. This way, you can grab a healthy meal even on your busiest days. Meal prepping helps you avoid unhealthy takeout and saves money. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing a row of neatly packed meals, each one a nutritious choice. No more last-minute decisions leading to unhealthy options. By dedicating a bit of time up front, you set yourself up for a week of smart eating, reducing stress, and staying on track with your health goals. So, make meal prepping a part of your routine, and watch how it transforms your eating habits. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. Buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. Look for sales and use coupons. Plan your meals around affordable ingredients like beans, rice, and frozen vegetables. Cooking at home is cheaper than eating out. With a little planning, you can eat healthy without breaking the bank. Imagine walking through a local market, filling your basket with fresh, seasonal produce. Visualize yourself at home, cooking a delicious and nutritious meal made from affordable ingredients. By being mindful of what you buy and how you plan your meals, you can make healthy eating both accessible and sustainable. Incorporate budget-friendly staples like beans and rice into your diet. These ingredients are not only cost-effective but also versatile and nutritious. Frozen vegetables are another great option. They're affordable, convenient, and packed with nutrients. Remember, cooking at home doesn't just save money, it also gives you control over what goes into your meals. You can avoid hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt that are often found in restaurant dishes. So, embrace smart shopping habits, plan your meals carefully, and discover how easy and affordable healthy eating can be. By making these small changes, you'll find that taking care of your body and your wallet can go hand in hand.